Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy easy recipe. First, collect all your ingredients and tools. You'll need pan drippings, flour, and a good quality broth, plus a whisk and a saucepan. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. We'll start by creating a flavorful base, ensuring your gravy is rich and delicious. This simple approach guarantees a perfect gravy every time, even for beginners. Now let's make the roux, which is the foundation of great gravy. Heat about 2 tablespoons of fat from your pan drippings in a saucepan over medium heat. Once shimmering, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep whisking constantly for 1 to 2 minutes until it forms a smooth, light brown paste. This step is crucial for thickening and adding depth of flavor. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in about 1½ cups of cold broth or stock, whisking continuously as you add it. This gradual addition helps prevent lumps and ensures a silky smooth gravy. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken for 3 to 5 minutes. The gravy will visibly thicken as it cooks. Finally, taste your gravy and season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. If your gravy is too thick, simply whisk in a little more broth until it reaches your desired consistency. Serve your delicious homemade gravy warm over mashed potatoes, turkey, or anything you like. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.